In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete Photoshop temporary files from your computer to free up disk space and help improve overall performance. If Photoshop has been feeling slower than usual, or if your storage seems to be filling up for no obvious reason, temporary files may be part of the problem. Photoshop creates these files while you work, and over time they can build up and take up a surprising amount of space. Clearing them out is a simple bit of maintenance that can help keep your system cleaner and more organized. Before you begin, make sure Photoshop is completely closed. This is important because if the program is still running, some temporary files may still be in use, and Windows won't be able to remove them properly. Closing Photoshop first helps make the cleanup smoother and safer. Once Photoshop is closed, press Windows and R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box, which is a quick way to access system folders without having to click through multiple menus. In the text field, type %temp%, then click OK or press Enter. This will open your Windows Temp folder. Inside this folder, you'll find temporary files created not only by Photoshop, but also by many other applications. That's completely normal, so don't be surprised if you see a large number of files and folders. When the folder opens, press Ctrl and A together to select everything. After that, press the Delete key on your keyboard to begin removing the selected files. Depending on how much has built up over time, this process could take a few seconds or a little longer, so just give it a moment to work through the cleanup. If Windows shows a message saying that some files can't be deleted because they're currently in use, don't worry. That's expected in some cases. Just click Skip, and Windows will continue deleting everything that is safe to remove. You do not need to force anything or stop the process. Once the deletion is complete, you can close the folder. At this point, you've successfully cleared out most of the unnecessary temporary files from your computer. While this won't instantly solve every Photoshop performance issue, it can help recover storage space, reduce clutter, and create a cleaner environment for everyday editing. Doing this from time to time is a smart habit if you use Photoshop regularly. It's quick, easy, and can be a helpful part of basic PC maintenance. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!